Unyielding, relentless, and legendary for their martial prowess, the Spartans etched their mark on history as one of the most feared military forces in the ancient world. Their formidable reputation was not just due to their rigorous training or their ironclad discipline, but also their mastery of an array of weapons, each designed for brutal efficiency. Today, we delve into the arsenal of the Spartans, exploring the tools that built an empire and etched the name Sparta into the annals of history. Our journey begins in the Bronze Age, where the primary weapon of the Spartan warrior, or hoplite, was the dory. This long spear, measuring up to 9 feet, was as versatile as it was deadly. Used for thrusting at enemies in the front line, its rear end, adorned with a bronze spike called a sorotor, could be used as a secondary weapon if the main shaft broke or for striking the enemy from behind. Next came the xiphos, a double-edged one-handed short sword. Primarily a secondary weapon, it was used when the dory was rendered ineffective, usually in close combat situations. The xiphos's leaf-shaped design made it an excellent tool for both slashing and stabbing, a weapon as deadly as the men who wielded it. For defense, the Spartans used the aspis, a circular shield made of wood and covered in bronze. Weighing about 30 pounds, it covered the warrior from chin to knee, offering protection while not hindering mobility. The aspis was as much a weapon as a shield. Its sharpened rim could be used to bash opponents, and its metal-covered face could deflect enemy blows. Next in the Spartan arsenal was the kopis, a heavy, curved sword adopted later in the Spartan timeline. Unlike the xiphos, the kopis was primarily used for slashing, its design inspired by the lethal curve of a boar's tusk. Lastly, the Spartans employed the javelin, a light throwing spear. Used primarily by light infantry and cavalry, it was a versatile weapon, perfect for disrupting enemy formations or taking down foes from a distance. In summary, the Spartan arsenal was a collection of brutal efficiency and deadly simplicity. The dory, a long spear, was the primary weapon, with the xiphos, a short double-edged sword, serving as a secondary weapon for close combat. The aspis, a large circular shield, offered protection and could also be used offensively. The kopis, a heavy curved sword, was adopted later and was primarily used for slashing. Finally, the javelin, a light throwing spear, provided a ranged option for Spartan warriors. These weapons, in the hands of the Spartan warriors, were the tools that carved an empire. Each weapon, from the long-reaching dory to the swift javelin, played a role in the Spartans' military successes, a testament to their strategic mastery and relentless spirit. They serve as a stark reminder of a civilization that for a time stood as the pinnacle of military might in the ancient world.